You have just ruined your entire life. Now that is a quote from Bill Gates' father. He said something very similar to that. I read this in one of the biographies about Bill Gates. Bill Gates, the co-founder of Microsoft, when his father heard Bill dropped out of college so that he could work with his co-founder Paul Allen and they could start Microsoft. This was, I think, 1975 or something like that. They started it out of a seedy hotel room in Albuquerque, New Mexico. One of those hotels where you pay by the hour, if you know what I mean. Drug addicts, prostitutes. Who rents rooms by the hour? You know what I'm talking about. That's where Microsoft started, one of the largest companies in the entire world. And when Bill Gates and Paul Allen, they knew that the personal computer industry was emerging. They knew that they had to do something drastic. And so both of them dropped out of college. And Bill Gates' father said, son, you've just ruined your entire life. Well, it's all a joke now, of course. It's all a joke. It's a funny joke. And I hope that the title got your attention. I thank you for listening to this. But we all know that Bill Gates didn't ruin his life. We all know that. We know how the story ended. Now he's one of the richest people in the entire world. But we all have naysayers in our life, and that's the point I really want to make with this very short message here. You know, we all have people in our lives that whenever we decide to do something big and bold, they all laugh. They all tell us why it won't work. This is one of the reasons you should never tell your goals to anybody. Because the people, unless, I will say this, unless you're telling your goals to somebody who's already been where you want to go, or who's already gone where you want to go, who's already doing what you want to do. You know, just like they say that, so early on, 30-some years ago, 35 years ago, I told all my friends and family I was going to be a millionaire. And they all laughed at my face. They did exactly what Bill Gates' father did. They told me I was crazy. They told me it was ridiculous for somebody like me to think that they could become a millionaire. I was a high school dropout. I had no special skills or abilities. I wasn't born with wealth. I had no contacts. I had personal problems when I was younger with drugs and alcohol. Now I'm in my early 20s. I'm working at a factory welding mobile home frames, and I'm telling people I'm going to be a millionaire. Imagine. They didn't even laugh behind my back. They just laughed at my face. They told me I was crazy. Just like Bill Gates' father told him that he was ruining his life. Just like every naysayer in your life tells you that you're crazy to dream big dreams and decide you're going to do big things with your life. But don't listen to them. Shut them out. Ignore them. By the way, you're never going to please your naysayers. When I did finally make millions of dollars with the help of a lot of people, I might add, I got involved in the right deals with the right people, including my wife Eileen, who was my business partner for 12 years, first 12 years. We did make millions and millions and millions of dollars. You think that pleased all of the naysayers? Do you think all of the naysayers in my life said, you know what, TJ, you were right. I should have never doubted you. I should have never believed that I should have supported you the whole time. Those naysayers, some of which are still in my life because they are my family members, can't pick your family, right? They just now said, oh, they just got lucky. They just got lucky. That's why they became millionaires. Bullshit. Bullshit. Yes, of course we got involved in the right deals with the right people. Of course we did. But the point is, we took those actions that are necessary. We took the risks. And like Ronald Reagan has a great quote, Ronald Reagan, former president of the United States. He said, whenever you see a successful business, you always know, or whenever he sees a successful business, he always knows that somebody took a courageous, bold step. Because it does take courage. It takes courage to rise above all of the critics and the naysayers of our lives and to do something big and bold. So don't give up your dreams. Don't listen to your critics. Don't listen to your naysayers. Don't try to please them. And the only people you should talk to about your goals, if you have big goals and dreams about making a lot of money, or doing anything else big in your life are the people who have already done what you want to do, are already going where you want to go. You know, just like all of the people laughed at me in my life that when I told them I was going to be a millionaire. But if it was somebody that already became a millionaire starting from scratch, they'd say, go, man, go, go, go. And they would have helped me every step of the way, which I ultimately did find the right people to help me. And you need the right people in your life. Now, that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to be the right people. We've got some special programs that help people make a lot of money. If you're one of my clients, you already know what they are. If you're not one of my clients and you want to find out more, click on the link below. So thank you for watching this video. If you're not one of my clients, if you are one of my clients, let me and my staff be those people, those encouragers in your life, the ones that can help you go from wherever you are to wherever you want to be. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Hope you'll think about this. God bless you. If you're not one of my clients, click the link below. If you are one of my clients, let me help you go from where you are now to where you want to go. Bye for now.